What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy DameeTV. You already see where we at with it, man. This video is long overdue. We got the Alfa POV. We just gonna crank this bad boy up. Let y'all see her. She looking beautiful as usual. So we ain't gonna do too much chatting. I just want y'all to like, comment, subscribe, mess with the video. And then we just gonna get into this and let y'all see the whip for itself, man. All right. So first, I'm gonna just let y'all see this light. We got the door lights on this. So when you open the door, this how what we looking like. And we gonna get in the car. We gonna crank her up, man. We gonna crank her up. We gonna see what she looking like. So we gonna get in the whip. We got this some smooth little POV on the way. We gonna close the door then. I know y'all see that. So we're gonna go ahead and crank it up. As y'all see. Hold on. All right, what's up, y'all? We in the Alfa right now, man. So we just finna ride around the city, let y'all see Atlanta Station. You know, if you from the A, everybody know what Atlanta Station looking like. Just come on now, tell me this. It ain't nice in here though. We got a POV going on some smooth shit. I want y'all to give me some. As y'all can see, we don't got no gas in the car. But I'm gonna let y'all come along with me as we ride around the city. This light just turned green and it's trying to turn red already. I wanna let y'all hear it, but the cops are out. I might find somewhere where we can ride around a little faster though, but we got some nice attractions down here for sure though. We got the OTE stadium over there. I'm gonna turn this one, let y'all see some of the lights and shit over there. But the whip itself most definitely is a vibe, but we got to do some mods from the interior. It's pretty basic in here for the most part, but you got to love the red seats. Look at this lady. But you got to love the red seats, everything about it. Steering wheel. You turn it on like this is tough. You know what I'm saying? Just really not a lot to not like about it, but you know what I'm saying, at the same time, not too much to like about it at the same time. Seems like every light that we're gonna be at though, we're gonna be waiting 3 years at. But for y'all that don't know what we riding in though, we in a 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia Sport. So I really don't even know the sad part about it. I don't know what kind of engine I got in my car. I'm gonna put it up right here. This what we riding in, but just definitely sound good though. But we definitely don't want to get pulled over, so but I'm gonna let y'all see some of this stuff. We got the Boleros right there. You already know it. Bowling is the most funnest thing to do. See, there go the Popo. I already know y'all hear them. A little more. We're gonna bust a little U-turn right here. We got the quality POV going on right now. We might bust this. No, we can't even go that way. Forever 21 over there. We might just go get on the expressway for y'all so y'all can really get into the whip. We're gonna come that way. But this car for sure is a dream come true. Like, I don't got no complaints about this car. For the people that said the reliability on the car, I only had the car for about 3 months now. You know, but I have no issues with the car whatsoever. you know, I think I already showed y'all, but it's just the car show you everything. Hold on, we're gonna keep straight right here. I should have went that way, but it's cool. We're gonna bust this left. But shit, tire level, oil level, all that good stuff. Of course, it got CarPlay. Let y'all see that nicely. I'm gonna come this way. I'm gonna roll the windows up because I don't even know if y'all can really hear me. This man's trying to run the. We're gonna come that way for sure. Bro, anybody that say Atlanta's not beautiful, it's lying though. They definitely we take care of this city. We got Carvana right here. We're gonna roll this window up too. The wind blowing mad fast. We're gonna keep it straight. I want y'all to comment in the comment section what y'all drive though. I wanna know what y'all drive. This definitely, the car is nice. I would say though, the car is horrible on gas. So it's like I definitely wanna invest in me a daily. This might be a little project car that I might just do mods and stuff on. But I definitely need me a daily that I can drive and not spend a band on just gas alone. Only doing probably like 24 to 22 miles per hour. I mean, miles per gallon. Good sweet. All right, y'all, we're definitely gonna expressway for y'all. Hopefully traffic ain't too bad. We're gonna let them get over. I don't know if I'm just the only one, but it's something about the Hondas and the Kia drivers, man. Those be the worst drivers. You drive a Honda or Kia, like, don't come for me in the comment section, but it's just something about them. Like, they drive like they don't care about their life. But we in the city. I hope y'all still can hear me. The wind definitely gonna be popping. But it's just hella lights. We're gonna roll these up so y'all can hear the car when it rev up. We're gonna turn our signal. We're gonna get over real quick, actually. Traffic be so bad in Atlanta, you really can't even go nowhere. We're just gonna ride around a little bit more, but bruh, I feel like this car is gonna be what introduced me to a whole bunch of stuff when it comes to the car community, in the sense of just the mods. Just I only know the cosmetic aspect of it, but I definitely want to look into like stuff and learn about, you know, exhaust and all stuff that come like that, because I kind of want to make not only the car faster but louder. And then, you know, just get more knowledge about this, especially since, you know, I sell cars and everything. Just want to let this car educate me on, you know, just cars in general. It's breaking here. We're going to turn AC up. Hopefully I don't get too loud. We're gonna wipe it all off. I'll gap you. I'll gap you. Regular at Walgreens truck. From here, for the most part, though, I'm gonna just really let y'all see the city for itself. Show y'all some more attraction. We got Grady right there. Just a lit ass city. But that's pretty much gonna be the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Might see the inside of the whip, and then we're gonna come to y'all with more content. We're gonna get out of here.